Hi and welcome to Treasurie. Today we're going to learn how to make these lovely bra tops for the beach or the pool. And if you check the pattern, it's got an enormous amount of sizes, or you can just try on the cups as you go and make it a custom size. So let's get started. To make our bikini top, we're going to need some worsted weight cotton yarn. This one's sugar and cream, and I'll put a few other suggestions in the pattern. And you'll need a 3.5mm hook. Now this is considerably smaller than you would usually use for worsted weight yarn, but it'll give a nice tight stitch because you don't want any holes in it. So let's start with a slip knot. And we're going to chain 10. Yarn over and pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's the section through the middle here. Now I have different sizes in the pattern, but if you're doing a custom one to fit yourself, this chain should actually go from the center of the bust to just under. And that should be the length of your chain. So you can hold it up against yourself and make sure that you have the right size. Once we have our chain, the correct length, we're going to chain 2 more, which is for turning, 1 and 2. So that's 12 in total for a size small. And we're going to do half double crochet into the 3rd chain. So half double crochet is yarn over, insert into that 3rd chain, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now you will do a half double crochet all the way to the end. So you will half double crochet 9 stitches until you have 1 left, and in that very last one we're going to do 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochet. So that will actually be the point. So here's the first one, 1 and 2. Now chain 1 and then another 2 half double crochets into that same stitch. 1 and 2. We're now going to do half double crochets all the way along on the bottom of this. So go to the next stitch and half double crochet and half double crochet again. Now it can be a little bit hard to see the bottom because it crisscrosses a little bit, but as long as you have 9 evenly spaced half double crochets, it will look nice. And last one, number 9. Here we go. Turn that around. And that's the top, and that's the bottom of our bra. For round 2, we're going to chain 1. That doesn't count as a stitch. Turn and half double crochet into the base of that chain. And then we're going to do half double crochet all the way up to the top until we get to that space at the top. One more before we reach the gap. Here we go, we're up to the gap now, and we're going to do the same as we did last time. 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochets. So there's essentially 5 stitches in that top, and that's what increases the point each time. So here's our 1 and 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochet into that hole still. That's 1 and 2. And now all we have to do is half double crochet all the way to the end and repeat. So all the rows are exactly the same. Here we are, that's round 2, and you can see it's starting to cup up a little bit, which is what we want. And just repeat, so chain 1, turn, so half double crochet all the way up to the gap at the top, 2 half double crochet, chain 1, 2 half double crochet, all in that top, and then go all the way back to the end, and repeat until the triangle is your desired size. All the sizes are in the pattern, but you can try it on, and once you have good coverage, you can make a second one to match. Here's the finished cup for my size, and it's 6 by 6 inches, and in the pattern you'll find lots of different sizes of cups. And otherwise, if you don't want to go from the pattern, you can try it on. If you want to make a custom size for yourself, just try it on. Here's my fabric mannequin, and there we go. You just want to make sure that you have good coverage. There will be one more row of single crochet, so it will be a teeny bit bigger than it is right now. So when you have your correct size, we're going to just fasten it off. And we need to make a second cup now. Here's our second matching cup. Just check the size. Pretty much the same. You can block it and then you'll get exactly the same size. Now we're not going to finish off this one because we're going to use this to join it onto the second one. We're now going to join our 2 triangles together. So with the ones with the hook still attached, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then grab your other cup and just do a slip stitch into the corner. And there we have them joined. Now just hold that up to your body and make sure that that's enough, because that's a very easy thing to adjust. If you're larger in the cups, you can make it a little bit wider, or if you're smaller, you can make that shorter. And we're going to fasten that off. There we go. And we have our cuffs. And now we're going to single crochet all the way around and do the straps. We're now going to rejoin our yarn to the corner. So insert, put the slip knot on the end, just pull it almost tight but leave a bit of a gap, pull that through and chain 1. We're now going to single crochet all the way across, and I'll just zoom in. Single crochet is insert, yarn over and pull through. You've got 2 there on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Just keep single crocheting. Oops, a little bit tangled. I'm almost up to the chains. Okay, we're up to the chains, so we're going to do 3 single crochet into those chains. So that's 1. It's a little bit fiddly. The next row is much easier because you'll go into the single crochets. There's number 2 and number 3. And then you can just continue single crocheting all the way across. So I'm at the end now. For the corners, we're going to do 3 single crochet, so that will allow it to curve around. So then single crochet all the way up to the top. So here I have done the corner, which was 3 single crochets, and now I'm up to the top, which is just in that chain 1 space, and we're going to make the strap that goes up. So a strap is just made by chains. So chain the length of the strap I have now chained the length of the strap. This is 75 chains for this size. And now we're going to come back along the strap and we're going to do a slip stitch. So insert into the second chain, yarn over and pull through, and you'll be pulling through both of these loops on the hook. And then do the same in the next one. So insert, hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. So you can see the thickness that it's going to be, and that'll give a nice strong strap that'll hold you up. So I'll go away and do that, and then I'll show you how to join it back onto the top of the triangle. So I've crocheted my strap. You can see it's looking really nice. And we're back to the top, and all you have to do is do a single crochet into that gap again. And then we'll anchor it and just make it sit nicely. Now you will single crochet all the way to the bottom here. Here we are at the bottom, and we've actually got 3 stitches across here. So we're just going to single crochet into each of those 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. So you can see that across the bottom, and then just go up the other side. So now we're going to repeat this side up to here. Then we've got our chain and slip stitch back, anchor it with a single crochet down to here. And then once we're here, I'll show you how to make the side straps. Second strap completed, and I've come all the way down here, and now we have left the side straps. The side straps are crocheted the same way. We're going to do a chain and then come back with the slip stitch. So just chain out to the length. Don't forget it has to go around your body and tie at the back. The pattern will have all the sizes that you need and the lengths. So I'm just going to go away and do that now. The first strap is now completed. Turn the top around and single crochet all the way to this end, and you'll do another strap, chain and slip stitch back, and then you can fasten off. So we're almost finished. I finished the last side strap, and it's time to fasten off and weave in the ends, of which there aren't too many, which is great. And here we have our finished bikini top, all ready to go to the beach or the pool. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.